Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to explain chapter 2, The Tiger King by Kalki. This story was written by Ramaswamy Iyer Krishnamurthy. His pen name was Kalki. He was a Tamil writer, journalist and poet. The story is a satire on the rich and powerful kings of the olden times. ये story जो है व्यंग है powerful kings के ऊपर. In order to prove the prophecies of the fortune teller wrong, the king of Pradipandpuram mindlessly kills 99 tigers, but the 100th one, the cause of the king's death, escape his bullet. जो किंग था प्रतिबंधपुरम का, उसने 99 टाइगर्स को किल किया, लेकिन जो 101 टाइगर था उसकी जो बुलेट थी उससे वो बच गया था. अल्टीमेटली द किंग इज किल्ड बाय एन इनएनिमेट टाइगर मेड ऑफ वुड. लेकिन लास्टली क्या होता है कि जो किंग है वो वुडन टाइगर से उसकी डेथ होती है. हेंस द प्रोफेसी टर्न्स टू बी ट्रू डिस्पाइट द किंग्स एफर्ट्स टू प्रूव इट रॉन्ग. भविष्यवक्ता की भविष्यवाणी सच होती है. लास्टली समरी. द महाराजा ऑफ प्रतिबंधपुरम, Sir Jilani Jung Bahadur, had many titles and sub-names. However, he was popular as the Tiger King. The chief astrologer foretold that his death would come from a tiger. Crown Prince Jung Bahadur grew taller and stronger each day. An English governess took care of him, and he was tutored in English by an Englishman. उसको इंग्लिश मैन के द्वारा ट्यूशन दिया जाता था, पढ़ाया जाता था. When he was 20, he took the reign in his hands. जब वो 20 साल का हुआ, उसने अपने हाथों में सारे शासन को चलाना स्टार्ट कर दिया. The Maharaja continued his campaign of tiger hunting with rare single-mindedness. Within 10 years, he killed 70 tigers. 10 सालों के अंतर्गत उन्होंने 70 टाइगर को किल किया. He wanted to marry a girl of a state which had a large tiger population so that he was able to kill 99 tigers in all. The Tiger King could pay any price to maintain his kingdom. He also gave a bribe worth 3 lakh rupees to a high-ranking British official to retain his kingdom. The Maharaja knew how to take work from his minions. Minions, it means follower. He used the divan to find out the suitable girl for his marriage. He could be short-tempered and doubled the tax on the people. He also threatened the divan that he would dismiss him from his service. Ironically, the king met his death by a wooden tiger. At last, the 100th tiger took revenge upon him. Now, here is very important question. Who actually shot the 100th tiger? And the answer is 100th tiger was actually killed by one of the hunters who accompanied the king. Actually, the tiger had only fainted from the shock of the bullet fired by the Tiger King. जो टाइगर था वो सिर्फ बेहोश हो गया था बुलेट के फायरिंग के शॉक से. द हंटर्स रियलाइज दैट एंड फियर्ड लूजिंग देयर जॉब्स. जिस हंटर ने टाइगर को मारा था, 100 टाइगर को, वो डर रहा था कि कहीं वो अपनी जॉब ना खो दे, इसलिए दे किल्ड द टाइगर देमसेल्व्स एंड डिड नॉट इन्फॉर्म द किंग. Moral of the story, the author has rightly portrayed how human beings have subjected innocent animals to untold torture and death, merely to fulfill their own whims and fancies. Story ये है moral कि हमें किसी भी एनिमल को नहीं मारना चाहिए अपने खुद की नीड्स के लिए. थैंक यू एवरीवन एंड हैव अ